Okay, today we're going to discuss 2.3. And 2.3 discusses increasing and decreasing functions. And the average rate of change. So the first thing we're going to talk about is increasing and decreasing functions. Basically, you tell where a function increases and decreases. So the way you do that is, and this is something that could be asked of you, like to find the max or min. So find a max or min. They're called local maxes and mins because they're not always the absolute, they're not always the total max, the total min, but they're like where the hill goes up or where the valley goes down. So the first thing you do is find the max and the min. The second thing you do is write the interval where they increase and decrease. Now, this is really important, so I'm going to star it. The interval is always x values. Always x values. So when you find your min and your max, you write both x and the y value. The interval for increasing and decreasing is always x values. So let's say that we had a function that looked like this. This is looking at a graph. And your graph went from here and then down to here, so like this, up to here, and then out to here, so like this. So the first thing I'm going to do is find my maxes and my mins. So I'll write max and min. So when I mean find maxes and mins, well, in this case we only have one max and one min. So our max here is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 5. Our min is 0, 1, negative 2. So that's pretty easy to find the max and the min. To write where it increases and decreases. Increasing means where is it going up. Decreasing is where is it going down. So I'll write increasing and decreasing. Now remember, it says I want x values here. So where is this thing increasing? Well, you can do it one of two ways. You can either start from the left and right and fill it in the way it goes, or you can look for where it's increasing and decreasing. So I'm going to actually start from left to right. So from here to here, it's decreasing because it's going down. So I take the x values. So this is negative 2, and it's filled in, so I say negative 2. And then up to 0. Remember, because I'm looking at x values. So from negative 2 to 0, it's going down. Then it increases. It's going up from 0 to whatever x value this is. And the x value for this is actually 1. It's kind of drawn a little bit crooked. So it's the x value of my max, which is 1. And then it decreases again. So I write a u for union. From the x value 1 to the x value what? 3.
How do you know the brackets?
You can just put them all as brackets. That's fine.
Wait, is max and min vertical?
The max would be the top point, or like where the top of the hill is. And the min would be where the valley is. You could have more than one too.
So it's not like where this point is to the left or right. It's where this
No, a max or min is vertical. You're right. Is a y value.